Good morning, you all. I hope you all are good because I am, but I'm tired. So, here I had just woken up and was about to bath so that I can leave. I was now having my breakfast chicken dust and bread with tea. Yep, nothing fancy, guys. Ngwanakasi. So, here my little brother was driving me and my friend to Creech. It was a Creech trip going to Pretoria Zoo. There's the bus waiting for us. Guys, I was so in a hurry for this trip. I was so excited, like really, really excited. Nje, I felt like a little baby all over again. So here, guys, we are on our way to Pretoria Zoo. Hey, Pretoria Zoo is far, man. Yo, Pretoria is far. If only it was just a distance of going to Vanderbilt Park. Yo, I shame. Ngeke. Guys, look at how many like these companies are, and looking at the unemployment rate. Body agnity, what? I don't even know what that company is. Mara re hireng hle. Hire us, guys. What's wrong with you? Hire us and send the post so that we can apply. Le re hireng because wow, nje, it is very difficult. Traveling is not my thing. It really is not my thing. Mara hey, I had to, even though it was a short drive, it wasn't too long, but yep. So yeah, we had just arrived at Pretoria Zoo, getting off the bus, preparing to go inside. Here I am with a friend of mine and her mom's. So we're walking in to the zoo now. Guys, I love my shoes. Shame. I love my shoes. Thanks to my mom. She bought them for me. And then here we're just standing. Look at my baby girl, guys. She's the reason why I'm here. My baby girl. So here we were just chilling, having fun, eating, relaxing, taking pictures, creating memories. So yep, that was the situation right now. Look at my friends, guys. Those two are my friends. Those two are my friends. I love them so much. It's been years now. It's been years and years. How's Dula? Look at me. Guys, I love myself, shame. I am such a happy soul. I am such a happy soul, I don't wanna lie. I'm such a loving person, caring person. I need not to be told, I just know myself. I'm just glad that I get to brag about how loving I am and caring I am. Ooh, I also love to dance, guys. Even though I do not know how to, but as long as my body is moving, that's all that matters. That's my mom's friend, guys. Mom Pussy. That's my mom's friend. So here's a tour, guys, of the birds, all types of birds. I do not know their names, but I tried to even capture their names on the boards. You see blue and yellow, what. So you'll read for yourselves. You'll read for yourselves. Hi, Lepi. Guys, Shabang Lepi. Lepi was Netflixing and chilling. We were her Netflix or his Netflix. Like, Naduzi fellas Kimechila said are looking at us. Nje, what's again? Nali Netflix and chill this one. Posite baby boy. Posite baby girlie. I said, Yo, so Mona here, we were on this bridge. Don't know what it's called, but yep, we were here. I was tired already, shame. We were walking on a steepy road, like this road was very steepy, shame. I was tired, yo. I was tired. Very tired. Home of Masupial. Yo, whatever. Mr. Gorillas. Mr. and Mrs. Gorilla, guys. The kid was also somewhere here, but then I couldn't capture him or her. I don't even know. I can't even see their genders, guys. But yeah, Oksalayo, they look like a family. We move. This was my interesting part. Looking at this tiger, and it reminded me of how great God's creation is, guys. Look at how this animal is. I don't know, but there's just something about it, Nji. There really is something about it. I love it so much. Oh, I babona. Guys, the lions were just skimming chillers, Nji. Like, since it badutse mo, since what hana fela, Nji kabon. You're fan. The rhinos. They skim chillers, I do not blame them. Their weight requires them to just sleep around, I guess. I do not know because nje. Hey, are they active Nakon? Like, do they move around? I don't know, but I guess because of their big weights, they just prefer to just sleep. Maybe. Don't know. I do not know. Your video, you are so long. Why? I know. Honing. Malala kuo he guys, lamana Mr. Giraffe. Toli batate. Oh, guys, I also love this animal. Yes, I don't know why, but hey, Lina, you see a tiger and an elephant. I love them. Elephant is so huge, guys. It is so huge. I don't know why, but nje, I've got such an interest on an elephant. Also with the tiger, but elephant, I think it takes the cup. But one leg, one leg, one leg, one leg, one leg. They don't interest me, but the one thing that was attracting was their color. It was so beautiful. That is it, guys. That is it.